Hi, and welcome to the installation videos for ARPIS iQ software version 7. The iQ software is available in different license models. This video will cover the single user license. This also applies to the free trial version, which can be downloaded from our website. Once you have purchased your iQ license, you should receive an email from our customer service team. Download the zip file provided and extract it. Open the setup folder and double-click the setup.exe file. Use the recommended path to install the software. Now find the iQ software in your programs and run it for the first time. Use the recommended path for your environment directory. This is where such files as your configuration and example.fme file are stored. This directory must be writable. If you have an older version of iQ software installed, you can now decide whether you want to keep your settings. That's it. Enjoy the software.